weddings can be extremely costly, and if you're working on a very tight budget, we got an easy way for you to save a little bit of money on your wedding cake.
Okay, so what do we do?
We're actually using 2 pre-made store-bought cakes, and we're just gonna re-ice them a little bit, add some fresh florals.
Just jazz them up, right?
Jazz it up a little bit. So we already have our base one done.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you how we did this. So carrot cake is one of my favorites. Yeah, you'd get something like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just scrape this top. I'm a lefty, so it's gonna be kind of away from you guys doing this. Can I have a bowl?
You're getting rid of the carrot?
I am getting rid of the carrot.
Someone worked really hard on that carrot.
My 2-year-old would be just absolutely heartbroken right now to see this. Okay, good. We're getting all of that coloring off.
Okay.
Fantastic. And then why don't you do a swipe around the side and see if you can
Just a side swipe. Sounds like a bad accident.
Side swipe. Side swipe the cake.
Yeah, there we go.
Get all that crumb coating off around.
Okay.
You will want this extra bowl to scrape into, guys.
Okay, so then...
And if you don't have a scraper like this, a stiff edge spreader, you can, a lot of people have a spreader. That's what I'm going to call this spreader. My fancy terminology. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to grab this little spatula here.
Okay, cool.
We have this beautiful buttercream icing that we made.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Okay.
I'm going to recoat the top.
With a little bit of buttercream.
A little bit of buttercream.
A little bit of butter goes a long way.
A little bit of butter goes a long way. Yeah, so you're also going to need, we have some little skewers here, because you don't want your cakes slip sliding apart, especially if your venue gets a little warm.
Yeah, because buttercream will actually melt a little bit, right?
It will, yeah. So, little point, keep your cake in the fridge until last possible minute.
And you're just spreading it along?
You're just spreading it around.
I like a lot of icing, so that's really cool.
You do like a lot of icing. Were you that kid that always ate like the flour icing off the corner?
Yes.
That was always my favorite.
Every time. I would always stick my finger in the icing.
Well, it's like Ella wanting to blow at everybody else's birthday cake.
She thinks it's her birthday all the time, every time.
I wonder who started this tradition of, oh yeah, no, when it was my birthday not that long ago, I told Ella, I said, today is Mama's birthday. She goes, me, cake?
Yeah, literally,
yes,
she just thinks, you will definitely
cake.
have some cake. Is this, are you supposed to use this too?
You can use that, absolutely. You can help me out with that. Spread
there you go.
Look at you being all helpful. Actually, while I'm doing this, we have a fresh bouquet of flowers over here. Why don't you pick a color? And I want you to start snipping some off, leaving a little bit of the stem so you can stick into the cake.
Okay, I'll give you these so you can stack up your cake.
Beautiful. Okay. Professional baker, I am not, but I do. Who doesn't love a nice piece of cake, right?
Yeah, exactly. So
actually, at our wedding, we did cupcakes.
Yeah.
Love it. Okay, so now here comes the big moment. I'm going to stick the cake right on top.
There we go.
Gently. You can always fix your icing. Awesome.
And then we just add the flowers on top, and then
enjoy the icing.
Enjoy the icing.
Add your decorative finishes, and you're good to go. Beautiful.
There we go.
I love it, guys. For more ideas like this, you can visit markandmandy.com.
Well, that's all the time of today. We will see you next time on the Marc and Mandy Show.
Let's keep putting some flowers on. This is pretty.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.